Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm really happy to announce that Filmora update is here. If you are using Filmora 9, just simply go to help section, check for update and you will get Filmora 10. Filmora 10 have a tons of new feature, motion tracking, audio ducking, color match, color correction, keyframing. This video is especially for keyframing. Keyframing is like you can make your video more animation, add animation onto your video, make it intro. So what is keyframing? Keyframing when you add 1 or 2 point on your video in timeline and you give some kind of animation. As you can see, I have my channel logo and I have already keyframe that's way it shows like animation. And keyframing we only talk about 4 section. We'll talk about rotation, scale, position and opacity. Now let's start. So first bring any video on your media library you want to edit or you want to add keyframe. Then drag and drop on your timeline and right click on your video. You will see another menu. From other menu we are going to choose add animation or just simply double click on your video. You will see on the top left another menu pop up, which one will be video, audio, color and animation. Animation will have 2 more options, preset and custom. So those are the keyframing. Preset is like already have a keyframing done. You just simply drag and drop on your video and keyframe will be added every 5 seconds, as you can see. So first we will check preset. Preset is just one touch, you don't have to do anything, just simply drag and drop keyframe on your video and it will add another animation. You can add as many keyframing you want, and once you're done and you just simply play your video and you will test what it has done with your video. I will press OK and now let's play. This one was still video and I have a create like zoom in and zoom out and I have a rotation on my photo. Now let's talk about custom. Custom animation will give you more access to do more stuff. You can choose whatever you want, whatever animation you want to create. So first you need to bring your playhead at the starting and just simply click on add. Once you click on add, you will see there's a little dot have it created on your video. Then you can drag your playhead to the next point where you want to add another keyframe and you want to that's the timeline you are going to change animation on your video, like you giving some kind of animation. So I have a zoom in. Now I will drag to the next point and I will add another keyframe and I will change zoom out. So now I'm giving another 5 seconds and now I'm zooming out this picture. You can adjust zoom in and zoom out according to your need. Now I will drag a little bit more and I will add another keyframe. You will see another dot have created. Now I will leave it here. Now I will change my zoom in and out again. You can use any. There is a 4 options as we talked. We have a position, rotation, scale and opacity. So now I'm also changing my rotation. I'm just spinning at 360 degree. As you spinning, you will see there are numbers like how many degrees you have spin on the box next to it. Now I will add another one and I will be done. Now let's play, see what it has done to our video. We have created animation to our still photo. This photo was not moving. Now we have some kind of animation. Using this idea, you're going to create animated intro for your channel. We are not done yet, so I will show you a little bit more. There is no limit. You can choose anything to create keyframing. I have a same video in my media and my timeline, and now I'm going to add another photo because you can add keyframing to anything. You can add keyframing to element, you can add keyframe to title, you can add keyframe to your any photo video. So now I'm adding one of the photo on my media library. Then I will drag and drop top of my video in a timeline and I will shrink it to the size of my video. I will also click on my photo and I will resize according to my video. I will cover my full video. As soon as I have a double click, my playhead was in starting point. It's already add keyframe little point on the starting. So now I will simply drag that playhead to the end, because I'm going to add only one keyframe from start to finish. From here you can do anything. You can change opacity, you can change rotation. I'm just going to zoom out and I'm going to bring my that photo in corner. So you will see there will be line created between two dots. That means keyframing have already applied to your video. Now just simply play your video. You will see animation you have created on your video. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.